Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry about that. My phone died. So, I am actually going to finish out this round with you. And don't forget, we are doing a half double crochet, chain one, skip one, half double crochet. Same as a moss stitch. And then I'm going to give you 2 ways that you can continue this. Actually, I'm going to give you 3. The eyes are getting a little heavy. I'm so sorry. I can't seem to get my rhythm for some reason, but it's all good as long as it gets done. I'm trying to make sure I keep this under the camera. I'm going to show you why it was so important to end with an even number. If you go back to the end of day before yesterday's video, you see that I told you have the same number on each side and the same number on the ends, which should give you an even number. And then you carry that throughout. I don't know what yarn this is. It was gifted to me back in February. I'm finding it to be a lot splitty. A lot. Okay. Now, why you wanted your yarn to be, this is, okay, that's my beginning. Okay. Even is because whereas you start out with a stitch or a half double crochet, you're going to end with a chain. That little hole there, don't. If I had pulled my stitch tighter, it wouldn't look like that. I apologize for that. That's on me. And I might even go back and correct that. Okay, now let me show you what you do here. You're going to chain one to secure your work. If you want to do this like the moss stitch, Then you're going to go into that opening and do your half double crochet, chain 1, go into the next opening, just like the moss stitch. And you'll continue to do that all the way around until you reach the height of the bag that you desire. If you don't want to do it like the moss stitch, then you go right back into this same stitch that you just created and do your half double crochet, chain 1, go into the next half double crochet. And that way you have windows on top of each other. Chain 1, go into that stitch. You're going to go into the top of those stitches. You see where I went in? Right at the top of that stitch. So the next one would go there. The next one would go there. If you're doing the moss stitch, they go in the windows. Okay? So you can do that, or you can alternate rows. You can half double crochet in the windows and the stitch, the window and the stitch, and all you're doing is half double crocheting all the way around, and then you come back and do the same thing you did here. So you have options, and your options are half double crochet all the way around, or half double crochet moss, or half double crochet windows. I'm going to let you play around with that, and I am going to see you on Friday with topping our bag off. I love you guys. I hope you're having fun with this, and like I said, we'll be putting the finishing touches on this Friday. Hopefully I'll have 2 bags to show you by then. This one we're working with, and mine over there. At any rate, I love you guys 1,000%. I will see you again on these YouTube streets. In the meantime, take care of yourself, guys. Peace out.